Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you 3 looks with the Nabla Dreamy 2, the Mystic palette. Beautiful, gorgeous, sparkling, shimmering palette. I have the full review on this palette up on my blog, which is linked in the description box. Here is the first look which I created with this palette. It's one of my favorite looks. It's a bronzy, gold, shimmering, sparkling eye look. I have used this matte, burnt terracotta kind of a brown shade first. I have applied this shade in the outer part of my eyelid and also blended this shade into the crease. Then I have used the shade Oniric, which is a sparkling bronzy gold shade. It gives a beautiful effect to the eye look, which I'm sure the camera is not being able to pick up properly, but it's a gorgeous shade. With a smaller brush, I am defining the crease here. Next we are taking this creamy matte shade called Offline, which is a deep black, plummy black sort of a color. It's a gorgeous formula. I love the texture of these creamy matte shades in this palette. And as a topper, I'm using this glittery gold shade called Liberty, just to get that extra pop. And that's about it. I will be highlighting my inner corners now with the shade Lucid Dream, which has gold reflex. Using a green eyeliner for this eye look. All the products will be mentioned in the description box below. I have mixed 2 shades for this lipstick, which I will mention in the description box. And that's it. That's the first look completed. Here is the second look, which is also one of my favorites. This is a shimmery purpley pink look with a duochrome effect on the eyes, using the burgundy creamy matte shade called Dionysus. I'm not really sure how to pronounce it, but blending it out into the crease and also in the outer V. Then deepening up the look with the shade Offline, which is that plummy black matte shade, creamy matte shade. This look is very simple. This hardly takes any time. The colors, they blend so nicely with each other. Next, I'm using the shade Hidden Place, which is one of my favorite shades in the palette. It's a plummy, mauvey, purpley shade with a green reflect, gold green duochrome effect. It's really pretty. And finally, I'm also using the shade Lucid Dream in this look as a topper, little bit of a gold topper. Lining the lower lash line. And that's it. That's the finished look. Very simple, very easy. If you want to intensify the look, you can do so by layering up the matte shades. But so pretty. I love this look. And this is the third look, which is a little bit more glamorous, little bit more glittery. So taking the matte shade Dionysus again, and this time I will pretty much apply this shade all over the eyelid and into the crease, blend it out. Taking the shade Offline again. This is my favorite shade to deepen up. So just using it in my outer V near the lash line, create some depth. Next, taking this beautiful shade called Amacord, which is a corally, glittery, sparkly shade. It's so pretty and glittery. It has a beautiful effect on the eyes. And just to give a little bit of extra something, I use the shade Rem. Totally not necessary, but use a shade Rem in my inner corner just as a pop of color. And a beautiful highlight shade in the palette, Pantheon. I use this all the time as a brow bone highlight. Finishing up with the lipstick, I am mixing two shades again. Names will be in the description box. And that's it. That's the third look which I created. So many more looks are possible with this palette. I will definitely do more. But that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.